I have never made money on a deal I didn't know.
Can you believe this? The guy kills the 10X growth con, and then, does he stop? No, he does not. He has a real estate conference for the next 2 days. Booyah!
I thought about you coming here today, and I said to myself, the smartest people out of 34,000 people will be showing up this morning. So give yourselves a big hand for being here.
Being here, learning from Grant, learning the mistakes he's made, is probably going to save me hundreds of millions of dollars.
Didn't know any of this stuff before I came here. In the past 2 days, I've learned more than me trying to struggle to learn it in the past 2 years.
I've been in real estate for over 16 years, and just when you think that you know it all, you come to a place like this and you get to hear Grant speak and you realize, oh my goodness, there's levels to this.
The most important number in real estate is what? Number of units. You don't have a number of units, you don't have the scale.
My name's Chris Lentz. I work with Cushman & Wakefield's Equity, Debt, and Structured Finance Group, and we have arranged a fair amount of capital for Mr. Cardone. Your debt payment is $100K. So look, 1.2 DSCR. What that 20 is that's your cushion.
Okay, what are we doing here, Grant? You told me to show up, I'm here.
No.
It's okay for you not to move and meet a price. It's okay for you to say no. It's okay for you to find a due diligence issue that you want resolved. All of those things are okay. What's not okay is taking a long time.
Yeah, the mistakes you will make not buying deals will be greater than the mistakes you make missing deals. Yes, sir.
So 14 months ago, my dad actually passed away from a heart attack, just like you, when I was 20. And I lost my mom, also drugs and stuff.
Oh, dude,
sister, drugs, everything. I'm 22 now, and I was looking for a mentor. I didn't think it was gonna happen. But you remind me so much of my dad, and I look up to you as a mentor. And like you said, it resonates with me. You know, everybody needs a dude, and I'm really glad I found you. And then I've invested in you. Just at lunchtime, I invested my entire savings of $400,000 into your Cardone Capital because I need to work with you. I need to build, I want to work with somebody. I believe in you. I've invested in all your programs and stuff, and I want to appreciate you for allowing us to have this and you giving us your time. I know it's valuable, and I appreciate you, Uncle G. Thank you.
I appreciate you, man. Fucking awesome, man. It's awesome. Put your head down, start doing this. It'll be the best education you ever got. I spent 5 years in college, never made me a penny. I spent 3 years looking at real estate, it's made me a fortune.
We grew up, in Section 8, right in Hialeah. So I started investing and understanding the actual community I grew up in, and there's tremendous value in there, so much. A couple years ago, Sophie and I flipped the portfolio, made $18 million of net income with a portfolio we held for about 3.5 years in Miami.
Just let this sink in. He's like, you buy a deal that rents for $1,000 or $1,200 or $1,500. Can you change the rents $15? What's the worst investment you ever made?
$36,000 in a Robert Kiyosaki single-family real estate investing course.
Yeah, $36,000.
I've spent more than that this weekend for all this stuff, and I feel like I've probably saved myself tens of millions of dollars with this information. So
yeah, this is not 10x. This is infinite X. It's not a multiplier anymore. You're moving into magic.